Monday, everyone. Master Trainer Kiona Leah, and tonight we are doing the second part of the standing of the LadyBug workout. And hopefully I remember things correctly because I didn't have as much time to review the video as I had hoped, but some of these tweaks are so good that once you do them and once you learn them, you can't forget them. Don't forget, have your yoga mats, because we will hit the floor at the very end and do the LadyBug move itself on the floor as the very end of this class. So we'll take a brief adjustment to move to a new location period in order to do that. But in the meantime, we're going to start with primary back stretch so we have a proper warm-up, and then fast forward right into lunges. So let's go ahead and get started. Weight into it. Lift up this back foot. We still drag the whole foot around. So notice now I'm on railroad tracks. I'll give you that front view for a second. Not a balance beam. As I went into this position, this foot dragged into position. Both sets of toes towards midnight. Very important. Now, here's where we have one of the really, really big changes from this workout to the original total workout. And that is, from here, we want to keep this knee back. We keep a shorter stance. So remember, the original total, we were in a really super wide stance here. We're not in a super wide stance. It's wide, but not as wide. Pushing this knee out. And what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on pushing forward without really lunging the knee. So in the total, we just think about pushing up and releasing this knee. In LadyBug, we focus on the forward first because we want to get rid of these thighs that are starting to spread, just like our middle, and sculpt that more. Belly button to spine, tuck that. Make sure that back foot's in alignment so you can look back and check it if you don't have a mirror in front of you. Lace those shoulders. Reach away, inhale, hunch. Make those bear claws. Pull the laces tighter. Pull those elbows up, 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 up. Get that back nice and tight. Straighten that back knee as best you can. So the first four, we're going to push forward, lifting that heel. Down, 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 down. Notice how I bend the knee further. Then I go forward and back. Tuck forward and back. Tuck forward. One more. Tuck forward and back. Now we do what we're used to. We go up, straightening the front knee, and down. Up, straighten front knee, and 2. Up, straighten, and 3. Up, straighten, and 4. Hand on knee, hand on knee. Another big change, little step forward, meet it in the back. We used to step all the way up in total. From here, thumbs twist out from the hip and hunch. Inhale. Shake that head no on the exhale. Inhale, push, lengthen around the back. Exhale, hunch, flip, reach out, pull back, roll up, tuck, 3 and 4. Push that knee out, knee over ankle. Remember to keep it there as you drag that foot across, hip distance apart so that they're straight. Belly button to spine, tuck that tailbone, straighten that back knee, lace those shoulders, ribs up, inhale, hunch. Make those bear claws, pull those laces tight and level. Remember how much it's about lats. Ready, here we go. Push forward, heel down. Push forward, tucking straight back leg, heel down. Push forward to that front knee, heel down. One more of these for 4. Push forward and down. Now we get to go up and down. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. Hand on knee, push it out. Release the back leg, meet it with the front leg. Twist those knees out and hunch, releasing that tension. Look down, inhale. Shake it no on your exhale. Inhale, push, lengthen. Flip those palms, reach out, exhale. Pull back from the elbows and roll up. 2, 3, 4. So nice work. Think I remembered everything. I'm sure your legs feel it. Before we go and end out the class, do you guys have any questions?
That was hard.
Yeah, all those tweaks for that extra muscle activation really make a big difference, for sure. And you guys saw it was hard for me too, because how much did I bobble on the needle and down?
You have a walk after this.
A nice Epsom salt bath with the legs straight out in the bath is not a bad idea for this evening. All right, you guys, always looking for ideas and thoughts for during the week. Look for more tips and tweaks on that second half of LadyBug, any of the moves we didn't have time for, and other observations as well. Otherwise, have a great week and see you guys next week.